Your truly free odor and stain eliminator digests stains and eliminates odors at the source without using any toxic chemicals. Using natural enzymes and plant-based chemistry, it tackles the toughest stains and odors on any broad spectrum of fabrics without synthetic fragrances or harmful chemicals. You can use it for gentle applications including baskets, bibs, towels, and table linens, or for toughest stains and odors like red wine on couches, cushions, coffee on the rug, litter box odors, or pet accidents. Filling your bottle is easy. Just add warm water to the fill line, pour in 1 refill pouch, top off with more water, and shake. To use around the home, spray directly on laundry stains, pet stains, gym bags, carpets and rugs, couches, sports equipment, indoor and outdoor trash containers, curtains, sinks, drains, mudrooms, and shoes to safely remove stains and odors. This product works amazing anywhere you'd like to remove a funky odor. No need to rinse, just spray and wipe or let it dry naturally. For laundry use as a pre-treat to remove stains and odors. Spray directly on the stained garment and let it sit for 3 to 5 minutes, then wash as normal using your truly free laundry wash. And remember to add more refills to your next box so you'll never run out at trulyfreehome.com today.